Hi, today we're gonna make a chicken wing with cellophane noodle. That's the chicken wing we're gonna use. I gonna cook the whole thing, so we're gonna first you have to cut it up, like that, or you can cut it like you make a one cut in the middle here, or you cut it little open, so they are easy to cook, like that. So you cut all of them. Okay, what you have to do is just put some salt on it. Just some regular salt. And also the black pepper. And some sesame seed oil. Cooking sherry. Cooking wine. Just a ginger here. Just put a little gingers in it, and that's it. Some cornstarch in it. Okay, then I go turn on the heat here, and I gotta wash my hand first. Okay, it's hot enough right now, so you can put some oil in it. You don't need that much. That's it. Then you're gonna put the chicken wing in it. If you want, you can cook the chicken wing, the tip too. Okay, we're gonna let them fry maybe one or 2 minutes. So I'm gonna get the cellophane noodle ready. So we're gonna use the cellophane noodle. That's like that. Okay, that we only use three bunches, depending on how much chicken wing you're gonna use. So 3 of them. So we're gonna put water in it. Soak it only a few minutes, and when the chicken wing ready, this should be ready. So like that. Okay. All right, then we're gonna go back to the chicken wing. Like that. It's frying up pretty good. Put some cooking wine in it. There's a cooking wine here. Just put a little cooking wine. And some black pepper. And some sesame seed oil, and oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. One tablespoon of cane sugar. We're gonna put one chopped jumbo onion. You can use any kind, purple or white one, and little green onion, like that. Okay, then after that we're gonna put some water in it. We're gonna put around I think we got 1.5 cups here. And we're going to cover it. We're going to cook it around 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's around 8 minutes right now, so it's ready. So we're going to take it out. So you're doing that, then they should be cooked. You know, I think they already cooked. They cook. Okay, then we're gonna put the cellophane noodle in it. See, this is cellophane noodle. Just soak it in the water about few minutes. So after that, you cut it. You cut it short, the small. Cut it shorter, like that. Okay, then you're gonna put that in it. See, you're gonna move that out a little bit here. Cellophane noodle in it. If there's not enough water, you can put some more in it. Otherwise, you just leave it in there and cook it, and they will dry up too. So, and they are real easy to cook. The heat real easy to cook them. So when they get real soft, you know, the inside. So you can see them, you know, start cooking. So you have to let them kind of cook through, you know. They take little time to. See, they're getting softer right now. See, you can see them. If it get too dry, you just leave water in it. Otherwise, you just keep cooking. Because it's still runny a little bit. So you want to cook it until it's not runny. Yeah, let it cook down a little bit. So now we can put 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. And put oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon, soy sauce, or half soy sauce, half teaspoon of soy sauce. You need half tablespoon of cherry bean sauce. Oil, sesame seed oil, and sprinkle some of the white pepper on it. Just a little bit. See, they already get kind of dry. See. They dry up pretty good. See, you can see that. You can see here. If they continue, keep cooking a little bit, then should be ready any time. See? Okay. Then we're going to put some onions into it. I think that's it. See? I think that's it. Turn on this. Okay, now we're gonna put that on the bowl. Okay, this is chicken wing with cellophane noodles.